you can easily create forms by going to this one. Um, let's go to elements. How do you access this? Let's go to elements. Let's go to categories. Let's go to forms, and now you have access to lots and lots of forms that you can use. For example, if this is for business, you have access for business types of forms. You can easily just drag and drop any. I'm just going to create a new page for you all, for all of you, for us to check this. How this paano siya ginagawa? Let's just close this for us to make. Okay. I'm just going to go back here sa ilalim sa baba. I'm just going to right click and create a new page here. Add a page here. And I can easily just drag and drop any form that I can like easily customize to my heart's content right within Canva. Okay. So this enables you to add more interactivity and more functions to what you do inside of Canva. So that is the access to forms.